Laclede Chain Manufacturing Company presents installation for Laclede ladder-style truck chain. Pre-fit your chains before they're required. It is critical to check that the chains you have fit your tire. Before installing, make sure you are in a safe area, such as a parking lot, a designated chain-up area, or a clear section of the shoulder. Tire chains are always installed on the drive wheels of the car. Make sure you know which tires power the car before installing your chains. Step 1. Remove the chains from the bag and lay them flat with the cross-chain hooks facing up. The outside fastener should be away from the vehicle as shown. Inspect the chain and remove any twists to allow for proper installation. Step 2. Drape the chains over the tire, making sure the outside fastener is on the outside of the tire. Step 3. Roll the vehicle so that the tire rotates about 1/4 turn. Step 4. Connect the fastener on the inside to the first link, then repeat for the outside fastener. Step 5. Adjust the chains and alternate taking up links between the inside and outside fasteners. Step 6. Move the vehicle about 15 feet, then adjust the inside and outside fasteners to take up slack. There should be no more than 1 link difference between the inside and outside connections. Step 7 is optional but recommended. You can now install a Laclede rubber chain adjuster to the chain. Stock number 29225. Correctly installed rubber adjuster. Final tips for installing tire chains. Practice installing your chains before you need them. Apply the parking brake while installing tire chains. Do not spin your tires when starting. Do not lock your brakes when you're stopping. Avoid driving on dry pavement. Avoid traveling faster than 30 miles per hour. Avoid hitting curbs. Retighten your chains frequently.